Morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode here. Today we're gonna go to Palisades. I'm currently at the rest stop, so it's gonna take me about like an hour to get to Palisades, but it should be okay. Should not be that bad. But I checked the weather in Palisades. It should be like 25-ish, I believe, and it should be snowing. So we're gonna get some good powder today. I guess I'll just see you guys over there on the slope. So, just got to the parking lot, and it's snowing really hard. So I'm walking to a gondola right now, and we'll get some warm-up runs in, and yeah, see you in a bit. Guys, so the condition up here is pretty bad. Like, you can't really see anything. I don't see any lift open. None of them are open, so I don't know which one is opening right now. But yeah, that's like nothing. My warm-up run. This is really fluff. No speed. Oh my god. It's a good day, but like, why they open more? In my defense, can't see anything. Because like, everything is closed, so you can't see anything. can't see it. Can't see the bump. Oh my god. So yeah, it's about 12:30 right now, and the only lift that open is Red Dog. And yeah, I don't know, guys. Might just call it a day. We'll see. Oh my god.